Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria and today we will be looking at fabric panels and some ideas of what to make with them. I have a wide selection of panels with squares, circles, and border prints, with a variety of themes and seasonal designs. In the next couple of weeks, I will be uploading videos showing you how to make items using these panels, but you could use any fabric you like. So to get started, we have panels with smaller squares or blocks on. We have the Christmas cats and the springtime blocks. These are about 5 inch, so could be used as like a charm square. This unicorn panel has slightly bigger squares but can be used the same way. These prints are great for making mini gift bags, coasters, coin purses, and more. I have used this bright animal-themed print to make zippered pouches. Here's a photo of this, and I will be posting a video of a similar make on my channel. Some panels have instructions to make the design item on the panel, like this one. It makes a large mermaid pillow into smaller shaped cushions. The Highland panel has 2 large blocks which are the perfect size for a cushion front or could be used to creating a canvas picture. I have made the cushions for a friend using a plain fabric for the backing, adding a zip opening and piping to the edge. Next up, we have circle designs in a range of themes. The bold Allison glass print is available in black and white. I have seen these used as wall art by inserting them into an hoop and then embroidering or sewing beads and sequins to highlight details. The Christmas prints could be used as an alternative to a door wreath by highlighting the details and using a larger hoop. Another use for these circles could be for placemats, pot holders, and oven mitts. These are all things that I will be posting up on how to make in the coming weeks. Now these next to bolts show a border design, one a Christmas theme, the other baby safari. On these the pattern runs along the 2 selvage edges with a less fussy print in the middle. I will show you how to make the baby safari into a simple toddler dress and skirt, and the Scandi cross stitch panel into the easiest half-yard cushion ever. These panels could also be used to make table runners or cot bumpers. The next set of panels have printed blocks of various sizes, so multiple items can be made from one panel. This one has a large block suitable for table mats, smaller ones for coasters, and a long blocks which can be used to make a small table runner or table center. By adding this thermal batting, you can place your hot pans or cookware on top, reducing damage to your table. This cat one has so many shapes. Like before, we could make bookmarks, zippered pouches, wall art, storage baskets, pencil cases, lots of choice and uses. The Autumn Days panel has the large square, smaller squares, and these long rectangles. Again, you could make cushion center blocks, table mats, coasters, gift bags, purses, storage baskets. Here's a panel cut into sections. This block is the same as these ones. This one's is of the small squares which can be made into a set of cute coasters or mini drawstring bags, like so. This long one's by adding a zip at the top and lining can make a pencil case or makeup bag. And you can do the same with all of these panels. So take this large block here. You can use it to make a decorative center for a cushion like this one. All I've done is add a 1 inch plain border, then a 2 inch pattern, then another 1 inch plain, finished with a piped edging and a plain fabric zippered backing. You can do this with any of these blocks, making a set for your sofa or bed. Check out my channel for more sewing and craft videos, and don't forget to hit those buttons below to get updates on upcoming tutorials. If you've hit the like button, then a big thank you. It really means a lot to me. See you soon.